Well, hey everybody, it's your boy Oliver here. Today we will be doing a new photo. Okay, yeah. It's not this one. It's actually this one. Great, wonderful. I mean, what a photo bomb. That's awesome. So I was worried today a little bit since this is a portrait photo. I don't know how that's going to look in a video. And I was like, well, that was the shot I really wanted to do. And then it was like, okay, well, I don't want to do it when it's portrait. But then again, will it look good on video? But, then I understood that, hey, I'm going through paralysis of the analysis. And I don't want to be that guy. I don't want to be that guy who just thinks and thinks and thinks and doesn't actually execute on anything. So hey, let's just jump right in to edit this photo. So let's just pick that and let's go ahead and see what we can figure out today. The cool thing about editing to me again is that I have no idea where we're going. I really don't have any idea what I'm gonna do with this picture, and I think that's the coolness of it too. Let's see. So here we're gonna start with the contrast as usual, some ambience. If you want to do like a real cool model shot, you usually go a little bit down, or I usually go a bit down in the ambience. I don't want to sound like I actually know what I'm doing, since I'm just doing what I feel looks good. And so let's just try to tune that so that it looks good. Some people like these pictures more natural, but I'm more of an editing guy. Yeah, some could say already ruin it, but hey, I think this is the cool process here that you really really can just figure out what you want the picture to look like, and that's I think really cool. Yeah, it's pretty late here in Finland, and I don't know if it's the best time to do one of these edits, but hey, let's try. Okay, there's a little tuning there. Don't know if it's any good, but maybe it looks a little bit more professional now. I don't know. And again, I usually go right to the border here where it kind of goes overboard, but not too much. Yeah, well, let's go with that. Let's try that. Okay, cool. I mean, if you hate this this image at the end, you can always go back and remove some of the layers. Okay, so now let's see if we can actually get the face out to pop out just a little bit. I mean, maybe a bit too much. Let's try to keep it as natural as possible. There we go. Wonderful. Yep, get those eyes to pop out just a little bit. Awesome. There we go. I think it looks a bit better already. How about the glamour glow? Usually you can get some pretty cool looking things out of this. What I'm trying to hide is, on the borders here, as you can see, the portrait is kind of glitching on the borders here. And so obviously when you look at it from this distance, you can't really see it, but I'm trying to smooth that out just a little bit so it's not that evident. I guess I'm going to send this picture to the recipient later. However, I don't know if she'll like it. Just have to see. I'll just go by my vision for the image. Okay, that looks kind of nice. So let's try. I usually take the vignette off if we go for the vintage filter, and then I can see better if any of these filters are any good. And I think in this case the colors are nice enough. And again, I usually gravitate towards the 8. The colors are usually, or the colors of this picture are actually nice enough for me not want to use this. Yeah, I think it's way better like that. I wonder if we want another go with the saturation here. I think it's a bit too much for the face. However, if I do this first, and then I can go, yeah, that looks really horrible on the face there, but then I can go back to the top and go view edits, and that reveals the layers. And here I can go and pick the middle one here, the brush tool, and go here from the bottom left, see? And now I can apply the 0, see in the middle, I can apply 0 of this effect onto the skin here, which turned freakishly red, which it's not supposed to. And here from the eye you can see where I've applied the 0 brush. Okay, there we go. Let's get that more natural look there. Yep. And again here, we're gonna do that one, or make the hand look a bit more natural here as well. That's wonderful. And I think there's a little bit of red, or like a tint of red here on the knee. So let's take that off. And yeah, let's just do the pants too. Yep, there we go. We don't want it to look unnatural, so there we go. Okay, I think that might do the trick. Just a little bit here. Okay, I think we're gonna be all right now. Now I want to see. Okay, I do like the saturation of the surroundings. Yeah, I think that's nice. I'm wondering if I want the saturation to be applied on the because now it's actually it's actually applied now on some of the white shirt too, as you can see. Let's go back to 0 here. Yep. Just get rid of that red on the face, the edges too. Yep. It's a little bit on the cheek. Great. And there. Yep. Okay, and now, yep, now it's applied, and as you can see, the surrounding is a little bit more saturated, and I think I might just decrease the saturation just a little bit. I don't want it to pop out too crazy. There we go, apply, and now, yep, see, it's not applied on the person there in the middle, it's applied on the sides. And I think that looks wonderful, just a little enhancement there. Then I'll go and select the brush tool, like so. And now we can go and actually emphasize some of the colors we want. Firstly, I might try to emphasize the blue on the eyes. I'll take the temperature tool and I'll go -5, and it'll give that blue addition to the eyes. Just go and swipe around that. Yep, there we go. And then again, swipe a couple of times over. There we go. And, I mean, it looks alright, but maybe it's a bit too much. So maybe I'll go erase, and then I'll go here, and I'll go -5 again, but I'll do a little bit less. 1, 2. Let's try that. 1, 2. Yep, okay. That might be a bit better. I like that. A little bit more natural. Great. Then there's the little necklace, the wooden necklace here. I'm going to see if I can bring out, with a little bit of saturation, I'm going to see if I can bring out the color there just a little bit. Yep, I think that did a little bit. That's nice. Okay, I think we're starting to get done here. I think it actually looks better. Again, I've shown a lot of people these edits, and they're like, well, this looks way better. I like it more natural. And then I usually go like, I hate you. Go away. I like this one more. I don't need your opinions in my life. No, I'm just kidding, but everybody has their own view, I guess. But I really do enjoy having the option of creating or adding a layer to a picture that looks like I want it to look like. And I really think this looks good. So I'll go with that, and I'll go export and export. There. Another quick look at the photo. Here's the old one. Here's the new one. I really like it. looks like an actual model of a photo. Thanks, everybody. Tune in next time, if there ever will be a next time. Leave a comment, like, and subscribe if you want to, see if there are any new videos coming up. It's free for you, means a lot to me. So, see you next time. All right, here, I'm really excited to see what she thinks. Okay, let's go here and send.